Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is Drago, and I'm a machine learning expert here at Ramblr. And on today's video, I wanted to show you how we deal with activities happening in the video, so our next level of video understanding. Now, we're going to do this as per usual in our demo environment. We start here in our Rambler.ai website, and to access demo environment, you can go here to this Get Started Today buttons. If you haven't done it before, again, you can just go through a short sign up, and then you'll get access to the exact tools I'm using. So if we click there, we get to this project view. We go into our demo project. And today we're going to focus on this video down here first. We've described in previous videos how to use and inspect data on this visualization tool, right? How to look at your annotations. Again, this video has been fully annotated, click on any frame and we see all the masks and such. Also, we have some relations that we also looked in a separate video, so please check that out. But as I mentioned, today we're going to talk about activities. So if we click on activities here in our menu, you'll see there's a few activities that have been identified in this video. So for example, mixing dough, we just hover over, right? We get a title and a description. More mixing dough, because there's a lot of mixing dough. We're making pancakes here, and then baking preparation and more mixing. Now, how do we do this? So, and as we mentioned in a previous video, right, we select keyframes for every video. So the frames that will maximize the efficiency of the annotation process. And then what we do is grab those keyframes and also some surrounding frames, send them over to a vision language model, for example, GPT-4o or Ferret, if you will, any model of your preference. And we ask it to give us a description of what's happening, right? And then so we get a fairly good view of what the actions on a given video are, what the activities are, right? And we can do this, in general. So this is a kitchen scene, but we can also go back here, go to, for example, a laboratory environment, and this is the same idea, right? And we get these descriptions of handling laboratory tubes, pipetting into tube, more pipetting, etc., right? So this is pretty good to get a video understanding again across your say entire data set, and this is before we even do any annotation, right? It relies on again picking these keyframes very well, and then on generating this description. Now, of course, there's some shortcomings to using these more general models, but something we also can do is we can train much lighter models. We have developed some technology to be able to do activity prediction towards a much more customized set of activities, right? So if you're in a very specific laboratory environment, right, a particular industry environment as well, you're going to want to recognize very particular activities, right? Like, for example, in a laboratory, if you're doing DNA extraction and you want to recognize the particular steps in the process, these might not be in the training data of your regular VLM. But we have activity prediction technology so that we can do this in a custom way for your needs to get the activities you care about, right? And predict it across entire data sets. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have for today. If you have questions, you have any comments, ideas on this, you want to give it a try maybe, please do contact us. Again, just go back to Rambler.ai and we have our contact info there. And otherwise, hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye and thank you.